In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to group elements in Adobe Express. To get started, open your project in Adobe Express. Make sure you're on the canvas where the elements you want to organize are already visible. Grouping is especially helpful when you're working with designs that include several items, like text, icons, shapes, images, or other design pieces that you want to keep together. Instead of moving each item one at a time, grouping lets you treat them like a single object, which makes editing much faster and more precise. Once your project is open, the next step is to select the elements you want to group. To do that, hold down the Shift key and click each element one by one. This is a good method when the items are spread out or when you want to be very specific about what gets selected. Another option is to drag your cursor across the canvas to select multiple elements at once. That can be quicker if the items are close together. As you select them, take a second to confirm that every element you want included is highlighted before moving on. After your elements are selected, you can group them in a few different ways. You can click Group in the top toolbar, which is often the easiest option if you prefer using the menu. You can also right-click on the selected elements and choose Group from the menu that appears. And if you like keyboard shortcuts, you can press Ctrl and G to group them immediately. Any of these methods will do the same thing, so you can use whichever feels most natural in your workflow. Once the elements are grouped, you'll be able to move, resize, or rotate them as a single object. This is useful when you want to keep the spacing and alignment exactly the same while repositioning part of your design. For example, if you've created a title with an icon next to it, grouping keeps those elements locked together so they stay consistent as you adjust the layout. It also helps reduce accidental misalignment when making quick edits. And that's it. Grouping elements in Adobe Express is a simple feature, but it can make a big difference when you're building cleaner, more efficient designs. Once you get used to using it, managing complex layouts becomes much easier and much more organized.